was 5 years old on that movie night. Popcorn in hand, eyes full of light. Then lightning roared down that desert track, and there was no way of turning back. Doc taught him how to turn and slide, made us laugh till we nearly cried. But deep inside a fire caught flame, that chrome and rumble, it called my name. Lightning lit the spark and I've been racing since that day. From Hot Wheels on the carpet to dreaming of Monterey. I saw more than just a movie, I saw a world come alive, where cars had hearts and stories and they made me want to drive. Yeah, lightning lit the spark, and it's still burning in the dark. I drew flames on every notebook page, played pit crew chief like a kid on stage. Every V8 rumbled down my street, felt like Radiator Springs beneath my feet. I learned the makes, the years, the sound of Mustangs, Mopars, classics found. And every car show that I go see feels like McQueen is riding with me. Lightning lit the spark and I've been racing since that day. From Diecast in my backpack to wrenching my own way. It wasn't just animation, it was fuel for a kid-sized dream. Now I'm cruising down this highway, part of the team. Yeah, lightning lit the spark, and it still glows like an old headlamp in the dark. Now I'm the one with a little one too, watching cars just like I used to do. And I see that same wide-eyed stare, that spark, that love, that engine's flare. Lightning lit the spark and it passed down through the years, from car beds and lunchbox art to first gear shifting cheers. It taught us more than driving, it taught us heart and pride, to find your road and take that ride. Yeah, lightning lit the spark, and now we're driving toward the stars.